Hello everyone. So today I am going to start the next exercise, that is 5.3. Okay, so here we have to add the integer. So already I have discussed in the in the last lecture that how to add the integer using number line and using not a number line. Okay, so here in this first question we have to use the number line to add the integers. So in number A you can see we have to add -2 and -3. So first of all we will go to -2. So from 0 we have to start. So see here we have to mark arrow like this because we are going to -2. Next we are adding -3 to it. Okay. So already I told you, if we are adding a negative integer then we have to go to the what? We have to go to the left hand side. Okay. So we will go to the left hand side. So that means we have to again go 1, 2, 3. Okay. So like that. We are going to this side, so the final answer will be what? -5. So answer is -5. Okay. So next is number D. See here 1. So first of all we will go to 1. Okay. Next we have to add negative integer, that is we are adding -7 to it. So that means we have to go to the left hand side. So here it is 1. So we will go to the left hand side to 7 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, then 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7. Okay, so this is the final point. So answer is what? -6. Okay. Similarly here, first of all we have to write -6, we have to show -6. So like that we will go. So this is -6. Okay, then we have to add a positive integer. 6 is a positive integer. Okay, so we have to go to the right side again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we came to what? We came to again what? 0. So already I told you this is what? Opposite of each other. So -6 and +6 are opposite of each other. While adding the opposite we will get the answer as 0. So this will be answer is what? 0. Okay. So next is question number 2. Here you have to add but not using the number line. So I have already told you the rules how to add. See here -8 and -6 you have to add. So you have to write addition symbol, that is plus symbol. So you know that we can write this as -8 minus, because plus minus is minus, I already told you. Okay, -8 -6. And what you have to do? First of all you have to take the absolute value of -8 and -6. That will be 8 and 6. So add 8 and 6, that will be 14. Okay, 8 plus 6 is 14. And then you have to put the symbol that is common in both. So that is will be what? Minus. So answer is -14. Similarly in B number is also same, -1 plus -2. So again you have to take the absolute value of -1 and -2, that will be 1 and 2. Add both the number, that will be 3. Then you have to write the common symbol. So this is minus. Okay. In question number 3a you have to add using number line. So 6 plus -3. So see, first of all we have to go to 6. So this is 6. Then you have to add a negative integer. That means you have to go to the left hand side. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 places we are going to left hand side and we are getting as 3. So the answer will be what? 3 plus 3. Okay. Similarly here you can see 1 minus 3. So first of all we will go to 1. So this is 1. And then here see minus plus. Okay, minus plus. Already I told you that minus plus will be minus, or you can say plus minus will be minus. Or see here we are subtracting. Actually the question should be this question should be from 5.4, because here we are subtracting, but here also you can do it. Okay, this is not very difficult. See, we are subtracting 3 from 1. So first of all we have to draw 1. Okay, we are drawing 1. Next we are subtracting plus 3. Okay, we are subtracting because minus symbol is there, and that means if we are subtracting, then we have to go to the left hand side. So how many places? 3 places. So this will be what? Minus 2. Okay. So see, this will be minus 2. So next, see, in question number 4, we have to add the following integers. So this is minus 20 and this is plus 30. So if we add minus 20 and 30, see, these are symbols are unlike. Okay, you know that if there is unlike sign, then you have to subtract. So 30 minus 20 will be what? Plus 10. We have to subtract. Okay, 30 and 20. So after subtracting, we will get 10. Then we have to place the symbol. So which sign you have to see? You have to see the integer, the bigger integer. So bigger integer is 30. Before 30 we have plus symbol. That means the answer will be in plus. That is positive 10. Okay. Similarly here, see, in this also symbol is unlike. This is positive and this is negative. If unlike sign is present, then you have to take the absolute value first. So absolute value of 10 is 10. Absolute value of 12 is 12. So if we subtract, if we find the difference of 10 and 12, we will get what? We will get 2. So I am writing here 2. Next, you have to check the symbol, that is sign, before the bigger number. So bigger number here it is 12. So before bigger number we have minus symbol. So we have to put minus symbol. Okay. So how to write the steps? I have written the steps. See, we have to write the steps like this. This will be minus 20. This plus 30. Okay. And the answer will be 10. Similarly here, how to write the step? Plus 10 will be 10 only. Plus minus will be minus 12. Okay. So after simplification you will get minus 2. Okay. See, next one is number D. Again, see here the symbol is what? Like symbol. Like sign is there. So if the symbol is like, then we have to take the absolute value and we have to add both of them. So 7 plus 3 is 10 and that symbol you have to write here before the number. That will be minus 10. Okay. In question number 5, you have to add the following. So number A I am doing here. See, we have to add, that means you have to put plus symbol in all the, before all the integers. So 343 plus 356 plus minus of 343. So next, see, according to the BODMAS rule, first of all we have to add. So we will add this one. So this is 699. Then this will come like this. Okay. So next, see what we have to do. See here the symbol is what? The sign is unlike. Okay. This is in plus, this is in minus. So if unlike sign is there, you have to take the absolute value first. So this is the absolute value of both the integer. Then you have to find the difference. So the difference is, see, this will be 356. Okay. The difference is 356. So you have to write 356. Next, for writing the sign, you have to check the integer which is greater. So the greater integer you can see, this is 699. So before this there is positive symbol, that means the answer should be in plus. Okay. So the last question I am doing is 5 number E. Okay. So the remaining questions, please try to do it by yourself. Okay. So if you find any difficulty, because this is a new topic, see, difficulty may come. So please try to ask. Okay. Please try to clear your doubts here only. 704 plus minus 4 plus minus 10 plus 10 plus minus 100. So here first of all we will collect the integer which is totally positive, that is 704 and 10. So we will add this one first. So this is 714. Then here after that one, after this integer we have already negative integer. So what I am doing here, see, I am taking two integers at a time to add. So here these two I am taking in one bracket and minus 10 and minus 100 I am taking in one bracket. You can solve in other way also, like you can add 714 and minus 4 first. Then after getting the answer you can add that answer with minus 10. Then after getting that answer you can add with minus 100. Like that also you can do it. Okay. So see here, first of all you have to check in this both the integer. The sign is unlike. Unlike sign is present, then that means you have to subtract. Okay, you have to subtract the absolute, means you have to find the difference of the absolute value of the integer. So the absolute value of this is 714 and absolute value of 4 is 4. So the difference of this one is 710. So I am writing 710. Then you have to place the symbol, sign. So you have to put what sign? Plus sign, as the bigger number has what? Positive sign before it. So you have to write plus 710. Next, see, minus 10. this is plus minus 100. Already you know that this will be this number we have to add because both are like sign. So you have to add the number and you have to place the common sign, that is minus. So if we add 110, we will get minus 110. Okay. Next, see again these two integer we have to add. So you can see here again the sign is unlike. Here it is, this is in plus, this is in minus. So you have to subtract. Okay, means you have to find the difference of 710 and 110. So the difference we got is 600. So I am writing 600. Next you have to see the symbol. So here you can see the bigger number is, the bigger integer is 710 and before it there is positive symbol, that means you have to write plus, or you can directly write 600 also. Okay, so this much about the addition of integer. Please try to do it and try to practice. Okay, practice more and more, that only you can be able to do different type of question on addition of integer. Okay, so thank you for today.